What's up, guys? The Yellow Skunk. This is my new bike check, Mongoose. I got the red chain. See? Red right there. You know, some people say it's rust, but I just say it's paint. You know, right there too. Some scratches, but you know, it's cool. Just kidding, that's not my bike. This is my bike. Yeah, I had got some new stuff on my bike, a new stem, new chain, and new handlebars. I'm working on sticker bombing this middle piece, this top bar right here. It looks kind of silly right now. But yeah, I got this Shadow interlock chain, I think, blue. Yeah, I really like it. It looks cool, and my bike doesn't creak anymore like it did. I have a cracked pedal because, you know, I'm just a real thug. Here's a Cricut. Oh shit. Okay, here's my stem. It has the GoPro mount on there because, yeah, it's a top load. I forgot, it was like Black Ops. Most of you are probably thinking of the game, but it's not. Yeah, it's a pretty cool stem. And then I got new grips, which the pink ones were my friends, and I was borrowing them. So yeah, these are the ODI something grips. I think they're, yeah, long neck grips. So I like them. They're really comfortable. And yeah, that's my bike check, as some people say that actually take this seriously. So I'm gonna leave now. Yeah.